also shaking. It's like they are dancing with the music.
You see, there's a camera on top of our head. You see?
They can't see us.
Can you see? Can you see the camera?
They
Bye
can't
bye.
see us. Oh God.
Maybe let our security guard.
Oh God.
They've been watching us for a long time.
They say, what,
It's the AI camera. The AI camera.
they say, what the hell you've been doing here for many hours? Get out of here. And then they will take Norbert to the jail for being the cult leader.
Well, it's not the first time that I've been in jail.
Norbert, you are the
Your second time to go to jail.
yes,
Second
you are the
time.
cult leader, Norbert.
I say I'm Nigel. What's your Nigel?
Yeah, what?
Oh God.
Because we got an AI class, and the teacher said this kind of AI camera, if the cameras are watching, there's some strange behavior, they will report the police.
Really?
Yes, yes.
Ah.
That's a very
I mean, yeah, that's normal, yeah. And they will see Pietra is hugging the tree, and then Norbert say, ah, and then they will say, what the heck is going on there?
wir funken.
Yes. Norbert, I like your shoes.
My wife paid 100 yuan
Nike.
for them.
100 yen.
Yeah, and
Wow.
they cost normally 500.
So it's 100.
She got it cheaper, yeah.
Wow, that's
That's
amazing.
why she got them.
I will buy also.
She does good things for me,
Yes.
but she gives me only 20 yuan for the food every day.
She's Lehigh. She's Lehigh.
Yeah, but
She's not-
she thinks I'm wasting it on photocopies.
Oh.
That's why I want you to go to the university photocopy machine.
Oh,
I
yeah,
spent
yeah,
my
yeah.
20 yuan there today,
Oh, that's good.
because then I can get